have some crescent rolls right here. We're gonna go ahead and roll these out onto my cutting board, okay? Roll this out. Here we go. We're gonna cut them up like this. Now I have some chicken that I went ahead and chopped up and I air fried this for about 10 minutes. And what we're gonna do, the chicken has cooled. So we're gonna take one of these pieces of chicken and we're gonna wrap it up. Let's show y'all this way. We're gonna wrap up each little crescent roll just like this with a piece or two of chicken in each of these. You could add as much chicken as you want. You can stuff it as much as you want, but we just want to have it all covered up, and then we're going to roll it up, and we're going to do that to all of these crescent rolls right here. This is going to be a delicious, easy crescent roll recipe. We got all that chicken wrapped up into our crescent rolls. Now we're going to bring over a pan. I'm going to pour a little bit of avocado oil on there, and then I'm going to go ahead and just spread this around so that we don't have anything sticking to the bottom. And then we're going to place each of our little chicken croissants inside of here like this. See if we can get them all in here. Then we'll bake these in the oven at 375 degrees for 15 minutes. While that's cooking, we have another step that we need to do. I have a bowl right here, and we're gonna add some cream cheese to it, like this. A third of a cup of milk that we're gonna add to that. Then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of chives, if they wanna come out. There we go. And then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic. Whoops, a little bit too much. Then we're gonna microwave this. So I microwaved that cheese and milk mixture for about 1.5 minutes, and that's all it needed with my microwave. And I went ahead and mixed it all together, and it's nice and creamy, just like this. I've also pulled out the chicken and croissants. Now what we're gonna do is go ahead and pour this cheese mixture all over this. Okay, now what we're gonna do is add some more chives on top, and I'm just gonna sprinkle a little chives on top here, make it look pretty. Then we'll bake that in the oven for 5 more minutes at 375 degrees. Let's go ahead and plate this up. Look at that cream cheese goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. It smells amazing in here, by the way. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, y'all, let's taste this. Got a little bit of that chicken in there. Y'all, this was so easy. You just wrap that chicken up, bake it, microwave that cream cheese and milk and those spices, and that's it, y'all. Oh my gosh, here we go. This is delicious, y'all. The cream cheese with the chives and the garlic and the onion, it is so good. And then you have that chicken in the crescent rolls, and it's flaky, it's buttery. It has so much flavor, you guys. I hope you give this a try for sure. I think your family is really gonna like it. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you'd like to see another great recipe, click on the link right here, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.